Hello friends, welcome to the Learners channel. In this video we will going to learn about rectangles and rectangle command. We have already learned to create a rectangle using the line and polyline commands, but there is another quick way to create a rectangle, and that is with the help of the rectangle command. The rectangle command is used to create rectangular objects in AutoCAD. A rectangular object created with this command acts as a single polyline object. There are many options for creating a rectangle based on the area and dimensions of the rectangle. The simplest and the basic method is with the help of 2 points, that is to specify first corner and then the opposite corner. This figure below shows a rectangle which is created using the 2 points technique. Okay, you may see here the first corner point is 1 and second corner point, the opposite corner point of 1 is 2. Drawing rectangles. In order to draw a rectangle, the rectangle command can be activated in the following two ways. From the ribbon, activate the home tab. In the draw panel, click the rectangle button. Okay, you may see here the rectangle button. Okay, in the command bar, sorry, in the command bar, type the alias rec or the full command rectang, that is rectang, and press the enter key, the space bar or the mouse right click button. Okay, you may see here in command line, by writing rec, rectangle will be shown automatically. Now I am going to AutoCAD software and show you the rectangle command. Now I am in AutoCAD software, and in command bar I am typing here rec, then I will press enter key. You see rectangle command is activated. We have to specify first corner point and second corner point. Now I am going to tell you how to draw rectangle in AutoCAD. In this practice exercise we will draw a rectangle as shown using the 2 point method. Let's follow step by step procedure to draw a rectangle. Open the practice file. Use any of the two methods previously explained to activate the rectangle command. For the first point, click the first corner, drag the mouse and press the left mouse key on the second point, representing the opposite corner of one. The command is now completed and we have created the rectangle. Now I am going to AutoCAD software, and again you will show the process of drawing rectangle. As I am previously write rec, that is command for rectangle. Now I am uh, now I am selecting a 1 point. Okay, specify the first corner point. Again I am specifying the second corner point. You may see here my rectangle is completed. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe it. For more videos regarding AutoCAD, stay tuned with the Learners channel. Thanks for watching.